Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm doing a short vlog. Today we are just walking here in our community. It's a new place that we just rented and I am excited because I'm able to walk again, and this is my day today. We are gonna be doing a empty house tour soon, but for now this is just a short vlog letting you a little bit skip of what my place looks like, and I'll show you more in the next future. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Please like this video if you want me to do more, subscribe if you like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Please keep on watching. Let's go to the video. Hi guys, today is February 22. We're out to walk again. It's 12 noon but we are walking again. It's so nice to walk, you know, do our usual walk which we always do when we were in the America. And now we're gonna park here.
Yeah.
Here only? No, I'll park it over there. His bike is here. Oh. So we're gonna go and play in the playground again. Okay, go! So this is the playground area here. And this is the clubhouse. And beside that is the pool here. And in front of the pool, this is our house. Okay. Trees and yeah, drop off section for any guest and the neighbors. Okay, so that's Yan Yan's doing his thing. Right. It is a nice area over here. It's quiet, it's peaceful, away from the crowd, the noise of the city. Though on our street, like going here, it's like busy with all the trucks, probably like constructions towards the maybe the new highway going to be built, or it's already going. Construction for the highway. Probably the big trucks are there, and that road there is very like dusty because of the heavy trucks that are like flowing in and out in that section. But it's a little bit further. So, and in front of this community there is like buildings or like other establishments in this community, so at least there is like a dust barrier for us, so it's better. And it's breezy here, but it's humid. The insects or like mosquitoes there are, but because of the breeze it doesn't really affect me so much. But just to make sure to be safe, keep ourselves with mosquito lotion, you know, because I'm attracted to mosquito, and Yan Yan here is very sensitive, so we need to keep a watch on that. So yeah, this is our day today, just hanging out in the house and doing some stuff. We still have lots of stuff going on, unboxing stuff.
Now push me back.
Why? Push you back. Oh. That's the house. Empty house tour. The pool area right here. Up close and personal. Actually, it's clean. They do have maintenance here twice a week. So it's pretty good, but we need to get situated first, get accustomed or adjust, so that because we are new to the community and we don't want, if there's any virus that we carry, we don't wanna, like, you know, be the carrier of something that we cannot see. So have to adjust first ourselves before we can do like swimming like the other residents here in the community. That's it, guys. This is my vlog for today, a short one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more vlogs, please like this video and comment, share, subscribe if you want, and let's be friends. Hope for more subscriber, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Sus, ganaon na. Anyanahan. Puting hinayang lakaw.